Okay, it's April 6th, and I've been working over here at the greenhouse. Thanks to Sue, I get to do the work. How about that? I'm so excited. So I've been working, getting the rows ready and the inside of the greenhouse ready to start growing. Here's all the seed packets that Sue bought. She was pretty ambitious, so we'll see how we can organize these out and probably even add to it. I just can't believe I get to work in this wonderful greenhouse and garden area. Okay, here I am in the greenhouse. It's 20 by 30 approximately, and I've been doing a lot of preparation. It is the first week in April, and let me show you what we... Okay, so we'll get some starts going here in the next day or two. This will be our table for that. And what I've done is we're going to have long beds with furrow watering all the way down there, and it'll cross down here, and that should simplify a lot of things and eliminate a lot of extra weeds. So we got a lot of fencing along the edges, which will be great for climbing vegetables and so forth. And I think I'll come in here and probably tarp a lot of this down, try to eliminate some of the weeds. So anyway, this area is pretty well set to go. And this corner is going to be just a lot of flowers. I'm going to start a couple salad beds early because the lettuce and things like that, kale, like the cool weather, even though it doesn't really freeze in here. And then going outside, the way Sue has this set up, it's really cool because, well, she's got these great double doors. So when it gets hot, she just opens up this door, and then the sides of the greenhouse can roll up, which is perfect to let out all that hot air. It just zooms out this window here and keeps it a great temperature during the regular growing season, but then we're protected from the hail or who knows whatever else, the snow. Anything can happen in Montana. So that's that. Now, of course, we have to make a mess before we can get things organized. There's a lot of really cool features she's created about this greenhouse, and I'm so excited to be able to work with her on getting this going. So this is a great raised bed, and for one thing, we'll put potatoes in there. I got the ground prepared down there and covered to eliminate the any extra weeds. I'll probably do the same thing here when I get some plastic over here. We're going to try some corn over here in these rows. And there's Lucky patiently waiting and watching. Now she's already got some, looks like some crocus or iris coming up. It's only the first week of May. Look at that, isn't that cool? And then also I noticed some hollyhock. Look at that. Hollyhocks are getting started, so that'll be really nice. And then we'll, I don't know, probably get, maybe if we do this right, I'm thinking 3 rows of corn in here. I think I'll do the deep ditch watering in here, which means I'm going to have to ditch out 2 ditches. That won't be bad. And then down here, I believe she said she's got strawberries. Let's see if we have anything coming up. It's a little early yet. But look at here. Not sure what that is. Kind of looks like hollyhock, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's strawberries. Anyway, and then over there she's got raspberries and not sure what else she said. And in here she planted blueberries. We'll see if those come back. Won't that be great? So, looks like I got my work cut out for me. And I'll try to keep some videos going on the progression of this great little gardening venture. It's a beautiful place. Look at this. I can't believe my good fortune. So, thanks for watching and stay tuned.